Well, what do I have to pray to you? Even though what I thought they are fools, you cannot continue to blame my grind unless you plan to recite my rhymes. I tried to stop this shit, and even though what you try to say is retarded, anyone, any place, they got mine, they say. Anyway, what I plan ain't gonna be played today. Wow, what did I understand from you? Whatever you thought, you hadn't got a clue. Without this time, what I said, adieu. What you had planned, let's say it's new. Oh my God, oh my goodness, hell. What the shit did you figure it entails? What you had said, you didn't understand these rhymes. What I'm trying to play is nothing but defined. Wow, what did I try to tell you? It isn't understand my define, it isn't you. So what I had to sell, it didn't even consume. What the fuck you tried to tell me you got? New? Oh, this shit, it hasn't even fucking started. What I said, it isn't my time to be fucking retarded. Oh my God, oh my goodness, what the hell you say? It doesn't matter how many times you want to play. Oh, this shit, it doesn't even matter to me. It hasn't had much facts to damn my time. It hasn't even had enough many rhymes of this time. I don't even care. Huh? 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 Hey, no! No! I fucked it all up. Oh my God. I suppose since the rap was sneezified. Oh shit. Man, I actually had some thoughts and some divine time to represent what little amount of time I actually had. But this song, I'll let it play out. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's right there. Well, I'm pretty positive the song is just about over. So, this was supposed to be a defining moment. My original video was mucked up. My phone actually exited out of video recording. Just about at this point with the song, and I was like, "What the fucking shit, fucking shit." Because well, actually, I was about to say my rhymes are hard to comprehend, but it just frustrated me. But anyway, I already did this song about five videos ago. But anyway, peace out, bitches.